Good morning, kindergarten. Welcome back. We are going to get started today with our morning message. So, good morning. Today is Wednesday, June 10th. It is the last Wednesday of kindergarten. Very exciting stuff. We're going to go ahead and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was counting to 10 by ones. We can also count to 10 by tens. 10. We could count to tens by fives, 5, 10. We could count to tens by twos, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right, it is the last Wednesday of kindergarten. So, of course, today's Wednesday. That means yesterday was Tuesday. And that means that tomorrow will be Thursday. All right, we're going to read some silent E words. So remember, when we read silent E words, the E is silent. That means it does not say a sound, but the E uses all its power and energy to change the other vowel sound to the long vowel sound. What is the long vowel sound? Remember, the long vowel sound is when the vowel says its name. So, for example, A, instead of saying ah, that's the short vowel sound, it will say A, that's the long vowel sound. So let's try this first one. Obe. Robe. Robe. Like you might put on a robe in the morning. All right, so this I is going to say I, not I. It's going to say its name, the long vowel sound. Kite. Kite. Ape. Tape. Good job. We're going to do 3 more. All right, remember the I is going to say I. I've. Dive. Pull-ain. Pull-ain. Plane, like you went in an airplane. Last one. Globe. 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 Awesome. So a globe is like a big sphere that has all the different continents on it. All right, a big map basically. So these silent E words, I'm going to link a couple of videos below for practicing them. They're super important to remember because there are a lot of silent E words that we need to know how to read. So some people call them silent E, some people call them magic E or sneaky E. They all mean basically the same thing. All right, we're going to move on to our math problem of the day. So there were 9 dogs in the yard and 4 more dogs in the house. How many dogs are there all together? So first thing we need to do, is this an addition problem or a subtraction problem? Well, it says there were some dogs in the yard, some dogs in the house. So none of the dogs are leaving, they're not going anywhere. So it's an addition problem. So we need to use a plus sign. So let's write our number sentence to start. So that would say 9 plus 4 equals. Now let's draw our picture. And remember, when you're drawing a math picture, you don't need to draw the exact item. In this case, it's dogs. You can draw a shape to represent them. So I'm going to do circles today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Notice how when I'm drawing them, I'm kind of pretending that there's an imaginary tens frame. That's just because that makes it a little bit easier for me to look at this and automatically know that there are 9. If you line up 9 circles all in a row, that can be a little confusing. You might forget how many there are. Let's put 4 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so then to figure out the answer, you can start here and count at 1, but we already know that this group is 9, so we can use our skill of counting on. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's try that again. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Good job. So here's the number 13, a 1 and a 3. I encourage everybody, keep practicing those teen numbers because those can be a little bit tricky for us sometimes. And here's what this looks like in a number bond. So 13 is the whole. And what are our 2 parts? 9 and 4. Remember, if you put the 2 parts together, then you should get the total or the whole. So 9 and 4 makes 13. Great work, guys. All right, So your job today, your writing prompt, is to use the Wonder Wheel to think of a question that you have about first grade. So you will start your writing by saying, I wonder, and then use one of these question stems to come up with the question that you have for the first grade teachers, and we'll share it with them. So let me read them to you. Where, when, what, why, how, and who. Hopefully you can read all of these already because they are sight words. So bonus points if you do know how to read all of these. So pick one and come up with a question. What's your question that you have about first grade? You might wonder, what do they read? You might wonder who your teacher might be. You might wonder, how are we going to do school in the fall? Good question. So come up with a question that you wonder about first grade, write it down, and we will be happy to send those to the first grade teachers. All right, happy Wednesday, everybody. Don't forget to sign in on kinderalliance.org. Just 2 more days of doing that. And I look forward to seeing everybody later. Bye.